Inferno greetings, everybody. Reverend Jack from the United Satanic Empire. And if my voice sounds a little harsh, it's hay fever season, and I have hay fever. So, deal with it. But anyway, I've been getting a bunch of emails from various pagan groups, and even a few Christians, of my views on animal/human sacrifice. I know I did a video on it, but I can't find it. I must have misplaced it. Probably on a CD somewhere. But I'm going to redo it. On animal sacrifice. I myself never have nor plan on performing an animal sacrifice. I myself do not know anybody who has actually performed an animal sacrifice. I would be acting like a Christian if I denied they took place, because I'm sure they do. I've heard of a few. But I was told that all aspects of the animal are used after the ritual, such as meat and things obviously for eating, and that the animal was sacrificed swiftly and humanely. I, myself, have never performed a human sacrifice. I cannot say that I know anybody that has, or even heard of it. So no, would be the answer to, do I practice animal or human sacrifice? Do I condone or condemn it? No, I do not. Determine thy own destiny. However, I would have a major problem with human sacrifice, and I would probably call the law myself. Why do we get blamed for these things? It's called projection from those who don't want you to hear the truth in the beginning. Christianity on days would slaughter hundreds of thousands of sheep, throw the blood on the altar, and dispose of the carcass, thereby not using any of it. Human sacrifice, and we talk the supposed Savior, Jesus, who committed suicide and sacrificed himself for no reason, because he could not have been the Savior, because the Savior's name, according to the Old Testament, was Emmanuel. Emmanuel and Jesus do not transcribe into the same. Therefore, Christianity sacrificed Jesus. Then, through the centuries, hundreds of thousands of other people have been destroyed and sacrificed for merely not believing in the Christian deity. They were tortured and brutalized, and this is still going on. The witch children of Africa, I'm sure a lot of you have seen. So this is all a guilty conscience and projection coming from the Christians. Why the guilt? All the animals they slaughtered, all the people they slaughtered. Can we talk about the Spanish Inquisition, the European witch hunts, and the Salem witch hunts? Just to name a few. Plus the cultures that have disappeared, the sacrifice, just for Christianity to force its way onto the world. So if somebody asks you, do pagans commonly have animal sacrifice? Dispel that rumor with the facts. There are some, but they are few and far between. Just say this. There are some, but they are few and far in between. The carcass is used 100%. Can we say that for those who project their guilt upon us? Human sacrifice lies again. I, as a Satanist, would probably call the law, if I knew of it, human sacrifice. So therefore, when a Christian is feeling guilty and trying to fill your head with those lies, make sure you tell them the truth. Alright? So this has been Reverend Jack. The topic was animal and human sacrifice. There's the facts, not their myths. Hail Satan. Hail thyself. Blessed.